to get some food. Let's see what we got here. We got some. We have. Let's grab some. Ooh, tortellini.